All right, y'all, good morning. So until we open up the next 2.5 acre back pasture, this is just part of the day. Got to go out and get fresh cut, basically cutting down these, I think they're wax myrtles, I don't know, and hauling them off to the goats using a cinch line, and then hauling off their old stuff. It's just part of the game, but yeah, hopefully we can get that back 2.5 acres opened up, and I'll try and get some footage of doing that work. Then after that, we'll be on to our 6 acre and then our 5 acre pasture fence in. So I got a little helper out here. Hey, Mr. Trouble. I think Mr. Trouble's been cloned like 15 times or something. My wife swears no, but I would swear we're on Trouble number 4, but yeah, she says he's like 14, 15. I don't know about that. All right, y'all. Whoo, y'all be good out there. Enjoy your day.